Your dog knows you're leaving before you've done a single obvious thing? And here's how. Dogs are reading you constantly. They've logged every micro behavior that happens before you walk out the door. The specific way you move to get dressed, the shoes you reach for, the route you take through the house. They've also clocked your scent changes when your stress or cortisol shifts before a workday. Your dog has built an incredibly detailed pattern of what leaving looks like, and they recognize it long before the keys come out. You think you're just getting ready. Your dog sees the full departure sequence beginning. Your dog isn't psychic. They're just paying more attention to you than almost anyone else in your life does. Comment if your dog starts watching you the second you get up in the morning. And that's why